Kobe Bryant was not just a basketball player, he was a legend. He inspired countless fans and aspiring athletes with his incredible work ethic, dedication, and passion for the game. Kobe's journey to becoming one of the greatest basketball players of all time was not an easy one. He faced challenges and setbacks throughout his career, but he never gave up. He had an unwavering determination and a strong belief in himself and his abilities. Kobe's hard work paid off when he was drafted straight out of high school by the Los Angeles Lakers. He quickly proved himself as a force to be reckoned with on the court, winning 5 championships and countless individual awards throughout his 20-year career. Off the court, Kobe was a successful businessman and entrepreneur. He founded the Kobe Bryant Basketball Academy, which aimed to teach young athletes the skills and mindset needed to excel on the court. He also invested in various startups and technology companies, showing that he was more than just a basketball player. Tragically, Kobe's life was cut short in a helicopter crash in 2020. However, his legacy continues to inspire and motivate people around the world. His Mamba mentality of constantly striving for excellence has become a mantra for many, both in sports and in life. Kobe Bryant may be gone, but his legacy lives on as an inspiration to all who seek to push themselves to greatness.